Have you ever wondered if ever thought that you wanted a different kind of flat world, where you just go on advanced, play flat world to get flat world, then you go on flat world preset. There's classic flat Tunneler's Dream, which looks like that. There's Water World, where it's only water. The Overworld, where it also has stone instead of just dirt and bedrock. The Water World has water, gravel, dirt, stone, deep slate, and bedrock. Then we have the Snowy Kingdom, Desert, and Redstone Ready is, I don't know. But if I pick Water World and create it, watch this. If you think this is clickbait, it's not. See? Okay, I need to get up before I die. Okay, wait. I'm almost there. Yeah, you will die before you even reach the top. So, yeah. Okay.